Good afternoon, Mayor Dan Pope here with a weekly update. I want to talk about two things today. I want to start and talk about our Community Engagement Task Force. Tonight we'll have our first forum, and we're calling it Let's Talk. It's at 6 o'clock tonight at Lubbock High School. By the time you see this, we'll have had it. But I want to explain what we're doing and why we're doing it. After the police shootings in Dallas and Baton Rouge this summer, Police Chief Greg Stevens and I had a press conference in which we tried to talk about how we're different in Lubbock, and we tried to calm things a bit. We also made a promise at that time to bring together a group of community leaders to talk about Lubbock and police relationships with our citizens, to talk about race relations, to talk about problems that exist today. And we've had 3 meetings. That group's come together. It's a group that's made up of clergy. It's made up of business. It's made up of certainly the police chief and me. It's made up of other elected officials. Our school board members from Districts 1 and 2, as well as our council members from Districts 1 and 2 are sitting in on those meetings. Our social service and nonprofits are involved through the United Way. It's been a great group. We've met 3 times, and this meeting tonight is called Let's Talk, and it's just this idea that citizens can share what's on their mind. If they're upset about something, they get to share it. If they're complimentary about something, we want to hear that too. The idea is that we have much more in common than not in common. And if we can build on that foundation of common themes, that trust and the fact that we all choose to live in Lubbock, and that we want our community to thrive, and that when there's a problem, you can pick up the phone and call me, or I can pick up the phone and call you. That's what we're trying to build on. We want to build relationships. There's not like an end point for this. I think it's a relationship thing that we keep building over and over. You know, is it the best way to spend our time? I think it is. It's a bit touchy-feely, but that's okay. So are a lot of relationships that we have. So we'll update you in the future on that, but I want you to know a bit about it. Second thing, Tech football starts on Saturday. And I think for a lot of us, one of the main reasons we live in Lubbock, in a college town, is because we enjoy the fall. We enjoy Saturdays in the fall. And there's no better time than a Saturday and a football game and all that goes along with it. So I hope that you're ready for Tech football. I hope that you're ready for a great season. I encourage you to get there early, to yell loud, to be good sports, and to expect victory. I'd say guns up and wreck 'em Raiders. Thanks for all you do. I'll hope you all have a great Labor Day weekend. I'll be back with you next week. By the time I talk to you next week, I hope that we've approved our budget. Next Thursday evening at 5:15, we'll have the second reading of the budget, and I believe we'll approve it at that time. So I'll probably be giving you the final update on that. Have a great day.